Every business wants to be number one, especially when it comes to website ranking. But there's no shortcuts or cheating when it comes to SEO. Chris Adams from G-Shift tells us why it's not nice to try and trick Google.
Bad mistakes in SEO have been kind of put on the front page of the New York Times. One of those people in 2011 was JCPenney. They got banned from Google for doing bad practices online. And what they were doing was they were buying backlinks, millions of backlinks from third-party websites to try to trick Google into thinking that all these people have hyperlinked to JCPenney. But in reality, they bought them from these kind of shady websites. There was a release called Panda sometime in the September timeframe where Google put this out. That kind of took away those kinds of websites, and therefore the JCPenney website, which was ranking #1 for a lot of search terms around shopping, to being found nowhere. So that adversely affected, obviously, their revenue from their online store. So my best advice is to do it properly, and if you do it properly, you're not going to have to worry about these things at all.
Want more SEO advice, including our complete interview with Chris Adams? Check out yourbusinessenterprise.com. Free, unbiased videos for the entrepreneur. Subscribe, share, comment. We'd love to hear what you think.